Oh, excited. This is a night, man. I don't know what to do right now, though, except drink and keep running the song through my head.
Don't forget the words.
Yeah, I don't want to forget the words. This is what I do before shows when I'm trying to lock in. I remember I worked a rodeo for the finals of a big contest, and I was over by the side with my guitar with a song I just wrote, going back and forth, and I had staff come over, put his hand on me, said, "Are you okay?" They were worried that I had lost my mind, because I wore a little path down in the dirt. But yes, that's what I do. I go through the thing, and I'm singing, and I'm trying to remember the words. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. See, it's already working. Oh, the ramparts we walked were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting. Be right. 1-on-1. Aviators.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's singer is the owner of Bird Productions and New Vegas Live. His new production show with an 8-piece band will debut September 30th at the Gold Coast Casino. Please welcome Jonny Bird. Ladies and gentlemen, our National Anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
I don't even know what just happened. Did I get all the words right?
I love it here. I love this, and man, this is a thrill. So, what did it mean for me to be able to sing the national anthem here? This type of stuff is just, it's so meaningful to me. I wasn't even born in America. I was born to American parents in a different country, but I spent my whole life here, and I still get choked up singing the national anthem, and my biggest fear is always forgetting the words, because I've seen every video of every guy that made a mistake. I didn't want to be that. So it's so important to me, and I get choked up and I get emotional, and I have this video running through my head every time I hear that song, especially when I'm singing it. It's like I'm watching Francis Scott Key writing the words, and and I can see the words that I'm singing happening in my head. And I know it sounds corny, but it's so me to feel that, and have my kids here, and my wife here and my family supporting me. It was such a thrill. And Mike Dornton, who set all this stuff up, I'm so thankful to have him allow me to be a part of this.